Photomate R3 is a powerful photo management and editing application for Android, designed for both amateur and professional photographers. This tool allows users to organize, view, and edit images with a robust set of features. It supports various image formats, including RAW files, enabling photographers to work with high-quality images directly on their devices. The app offers advanced editing capabilities, such as exposure adjustments, color corrections, and cropping tools. Users can also apply filters and effects to enhance their images creatively. A key feature is its intuitive interface, which allows for easy navigation and quick access to editing tools. Photomate R3 also includes organizational features that help users categorize and sort their photos through customizable tags, ratings, and folders. Additionally, it offers cloud integration, allowing users to back up and sync their images across devices. Overall, Photomate R3 is a comprehensive solution for photographers looking to manage and edit their photos efficiently on Android devices.